Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you have iPhones 15, 16 and 17 Pro Max and you are facing the problem related on Vivid Filter. Sometimes you're not able to access Vivid Filter. So in this video, we will see how to enable Vivid Filter in your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's start. So my iPhone screen is coming here. If I click here in the photo section and I just simply open here one of the random photo, bottom of the screen here 3 lines, and then if I tab here, so here filter option is showing for me and I can access Vivid Filter and rest of other filter as well. So how to enable this one? If it is not showing in your phone, so you just follow my tips and tricks and very easily enable Vivid Filter. Go back, enter the setting, then camera, and here you need to just change one setting into the format, and here the high efficiency to most compatibility. If your mobile format is showing high efficiency, you just simply select in most compatibility, and afterwards you can very easily access this feature. If I select here high efficiency and if I click here randomly this photo, open, and I just simply open this photo, press here 3 line. This is the high efficiency photo. Here the style, adjust, crop, cleanup feature is showing, but not filter option is showing. But we love much more in Vivid Filter. So that point of view, you need to select here most compatibility. Go back in your camera. I just simply click one picture, select here 3 line, and boom, filter option is showing. Afterward you can access Vivid Filter. Sometimes some user are asking me the question, this setting is by default is not available if you capture the photo. So this setting is not available by default in your iPhone. You are use always in high efficiency to most compatibility. Afterwards you can very easily see filter option in your photo section. This is the simple process to access Vivid Filter. If you have any question related on iPhone, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.